Imagine creating a song in minutes, with zero instruments, zero recording time. That's what ElevenLabs music is doing. But if everyone starts using it, will we still discover new artists on YouTube? Or are we about to erase that creative path completely? Today's video is all about ElevenLabs music, what it is, how it works, and why it might completely change the way we think about music. Not just for creators, but for artists. I haven't used it myself yet, but I can already see this becoming a total replacement for services like Epidemic Sound, especially for YouTubers who want quick, royalty-free tracks. ElevenLabs started as a text-to-speech company. They're known for their super realistic voice generation, but now they've added music. You type a prompt, choose a vibe or genre, and within minutes it generates a fully composed original song. Let's listen.
Luna llena, no me mires así, que tu luz me recuerda lo que perdí. En el aire va mi pena volar y en mi pecho no me deja cantar.
But now your fire they burn like fever, fever, fever. Fever, 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 fever.
All the truth we push away. All the truth we push away.
I keep the storm deep under sea, but when I sing, oh Lord, I'm free. That's the only time I'm me.
And then there is nothing, no life, no sound. I tell you, this is not a tragedy.
I came up through the cracks with ambition in my pocket. Mama praying every night, but the devil trying to knock it. Street lights cast shadows where my dreams used to live. Counted blessings on the block, every dollar that I get. From Compton to the cosmos, vision started and I knife. Told myself I beat the O's, when your story of my life. City's hard in my chest, feel the pulse in every curse. Pressure build, you know, my chest, but I let it wave that curse. Keep you up when the rain raining down.
For content creators, this could be game-changing. It's fast, it's easy, it's professional. But it also raises a big question. If everyone uses AI-generated music, what happens to the artists behind the music we used to discover on YouTube?
We're sitting in this beautiful studio here, but everything in this studio can be emulated in how many seconds?
It's probably about 2.5 minutes.
From the beginning to the end.
I'm pretty sure it was used that this program called Suno.
Okay, that's something we have to see.
Here's my prompt. Create a square avatar of a fictitious female alternative/indie singer and a name for her.
Wow, Sadie Winters.
Sadie Winters, okay. The song is about walking away from someone who never really saw her worth. It's just going to create the song lyrics.
Wait, how many seconds was that?
That was like about 4 seconds. Oh my God.
Did you even read any of these, or you don't care?
I don't care. Put my lyrics in.
The lyrics that happen in 4 seconds.
Yes. And then hit create. Let's listen.
This is the world premiere.
I was paper, you were scissors, cut me out.
She's a good singer.
Good singer. Ooh, that's nice. Pretty good.
Where are we, Rick? Where have we found ourselves?
It's pretty amazing, actually. I hate to say it.
That speed is wild. A full song created in just minutes? For music producers, this completely changes the workflow. But also, it could flood the market. When it takes no time to make music, it's no longer about honing your craft. It becomes a numbers game. Quantity over connection. And that's going to shift how we value music entirely.
So you write what you know, and country music is all I've listened to my whole life. You know, some days it takes 45 minutes, some days it takes 5 hours.
But your songwriting would never take 2 minutes or less.
Oh, never. Absolutely never.
So this song,
Okay.
Sadie Winters.
I'm so nervous.
I used to fold myself into your corners, made myself small enough to fit.
Wow, that's like, the paper linger rhyme is like an advanced rhyme. That like was a little bit jarring that a person didn't do that.
How does she, this robot, have human experiences?
This is the tricky thing about AI, is that they are training AI on what people like me have released into the world. The pace that technology moves and the pace that culture moves is so much faster than the way that legislation.
This hit me. Real artists spend hours, sometimes days, perfecting lyrics, crafting melodies, and pulling from lived emotion. But now, with AI, a prompt can do it in seconds. And while it might help artists speed up the process, it could just as easily replace them in the eyes of an industry chasing efficiency over soul.
American artificial intelligence, and it will make America richer, stronger, greater, freer, and more powerful. Okay.
That's President Trump just 3 weeks ago signing the White House AI Action Plan. Earlier this year, Mr. Trump signed a separate executive order removing AI guardrails set by the Biden administration.
Our organization has testified in front of Congress. What we talk about is like just having some form of guardrails around it to protect creators. It is hard to unpack all of this, but just because it's hard doesn't mean that we shouldn't do it. There's something that's like living in a song. And for something that's non-living, to be able to learn how to do that and it be pretty convincing is kind of alarming. For someone who's a music purist, it feels not right to me. It feels icky to me.
There are zero protections in place right now. No copyright laws, no ownership standards. Nothing to stop someone from cloning your voice, your lyrics, your style, and monetizing it as their own. This isn't just a gray area. It's a full-on vacuum of regulation. And it puts real artists at serious risk.
But I know there are people who would have different opinions about it.
If you listen to this on the radio, would you care if it's AI or not?
I'm gonna go with no. However, I do think there's something to be said for like all the bars and all the real artists out there that if AI comes through, there's no connection with the artist.
It's an incredible song, an incredible voice, but it's not a real person in that
way.
No need for humans anymore.
But this is the most human thing there is.
Yeah.
One person said it best. There's no one to go see in concert. No one to relate to. No human story. And that's going to become a real problem. Unless we're planning to sell tickets to holograms, AI music won't replace that artist-audience connection. Because people don't just love the sound. They love the story behind it. I'm not saying AI music is bad. I think it's fascinating. And honestly, it could be really useful, especially for creators who need royalty-free music fast. That's why I think ElevenLabs music could replace services like Epidemic Sound. It's fast, flexible, and sounds incredible. If you want to try ElevenLabs music for your own videos, I've linked my affiliate below. It helps support the channel. And you might just find your new go-to sound. AI isn't here to destroy music, but it is here to change it. We're at a strange crossroads, a place where you can create songs in seconds, but maybe lose the connection that makes them timeless. So where does that leave artists? Where does that leave us? What do you think? Could AI music replace Epidemic Sound entirely? Or do we need to push back hard? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want me to show how I'd use one of these AI tracks in an editing tool or a video demo, just say the word. Let's build responsibly. And with heart. If this kind of AI storytelling interests you, go ahead and hit subscribe. I've got more honest, curious explorations coming soon.